And then you good news, kakra. But me can say good news, because I'm out for case yen tono. Skabiaba, scanaba no. Minim sayenji and asami engia. With the details no pan bro, sia. We have about 6 stories, answer na me de. Samba unel, asem na making. Samba unel no. On the contracts no best so at the end of this season. Club by what South Africa or more far. You play a free agent, which is Frederick Asareno, omo diskabiaba. Na emu ncheche mu nyina no mede Asia wo fi coach Karim Zito Esu. Coach ni Esu. Adintina coach Karim Zito Esu. No so ewa ha mede Asia wo fi a. What to say? Richard Boadu Agadas eba Kotoko back. Richard Boadu akasa afa ho a mensema Richard Boadu enso editu dwa no the ebro ewofia but na Ghana and South Korea mo ebebobobo ni ade na semenyo enso wanze ono no onka team no ho sisi na oka ho ma me check him out na semenyo na menya ne ntie se Liverpool fo epe no wanze Liverpool fo no Mohamed Salah ye omo main striker no next month ye she AFCON na se a obe join Egypt for moje AFCON ni bia say ya check akra nti this AFCON e because o Morocco no o ma dwen say kianeke omo beje this particular AFCON no nti omo see 8 days before the AFCON no o say Mohamed Salah free Liverpool camp na oba Egypt for the camp na omo prepare towards AFCON e because so I think 21st December ho na e shase nti obe 1 month to the tournament. Inti edru ha Liverpool for ebe fall short inti Liverpool for na e mo adwen say ombekọ akofa semenyo na semenyo no de minim se obi fi Bembe for no akọ Liverpool na se onkwa emre da yanim ene be kire Ghana yoma bi koso a moma yenka because asem no ba ya na ebeka arano Accra mo koye concert bi o Accra omo se frɛ no the Tidal Rave na krumu ashawfo akese nyina no eba bi enye yi anka me the photos ni bi toto so man virtually omo nhwehwe naked e man bi omo baaye no zo ba panyi pa no agya ne nufu nyina na ahoma tie bi ne da ne nufu ntem wo so wa ba Tidal Rave ho ene yekohu Ghana player already draw say onko current tournament a ekoso no almost say shede hia sa current tournament no about 6 Ghanaian players and a redraw so omuntimi and a coach no excuse you including Fatau Ishaku no obobo ma Leicester City na one tournament no and na or the call sa Tidal Rave concert a course one kind no Tidal Rave concert no or the car your friend Corvette mo amunim cars mu no Corvette na ye no car ay Ferrari dey ni be a tare form pink one and or the call ye and it is o je ne Samba na program no menka say ya shawfo program na mum no shawfo no dodo na akọ ho and na okọ no ko have fun. Inti comment section say Fatau Ishaku no choose the Tidal Rave concert no ahead of Ghana Blasters because Ghana Blasters ebo current tournament ehun hia na emom no edru World Cup de a obehwe animu say coach Otuado be free no sa boys we no the omoye no there are Ghana Premier League na ebo no your boys be omunim ball ne mpo a chain blaster players ni bi intisa players na omo blasters no suba bi say no meda na dia coach Otuado ye call World Cup na player obe choose one concert sebi concert a shawfo obegu ho ahead of current tournament a ye de preparation World Cup no aka less than 1 year. So, the day preparation na hye ye team no. Wa withdraw and wo dey akobo, wo dey call party. Jantrafo ahodo e wo Ghana nyina ho no mo bae. Me say videos no enye copyright nsensem anka me de bi be kirew. E man bi nhwehwe ahoma bi na ti da omoto ne omonofo so. E na player e koye. Na wakọ awie a wo expect say ye World Cup de a ye be frow na ye de waka ho. Meanwhile there are angry players, hungry ones a omo bo Ghana Premier League mu ni bobo. I didn't tell you more sa akwanya no. I didn't tell you more sa akwanya. Me policy they say if you are sina ye wo no. Sa wonim ade ye said den. No matter how talented you are, and you are not disciplined, you are not part of my team. And you can't be part of a team for a teamwork no matter how talented are we and all. So when you're disciplined, now when you're ready to follow rules, if you are not obedient, no one should tolerate you, no matter how talented are you. To the be a quite human, be a pan, but enams onim ye no, na edidi ni tirim. Your friend is on by a crowd no channel. Also, we a chowka. You chowka, in the other travel channel because we knew ye, unkwana knew ye. Massa. Sad no, say wo talent them found kobe bia. And one thing, let me use this one to speak on and light for our powerful. One thing about this life, they say talented people think that with their talent they are okay. They don't need to do any further hard work. And that is why most Ghanaian talents continue to be on the underground. Most talented people, Ghana, most talented, or more talented, they feel say with their talent it's enough. Share and ne over the A-list artists were Ghana, and I say we are see more bomb home than pana a hard work or talent, no. But if the talent is there without hard work, you are not going to get anywhere. And as I'm making the same thing applies to Ghana Premier League. Some players who knows our talent, into the talent, no, he doesn't need to do enough. With talent, if you are not ready to put in the work, the effort, my friend, forget. Untimi kombe pia. Untimi in developing kombe pia no kweba kope ye be kanche mo. It's Ghana players now mobobo na mo no munye ska ba kum yinu a ye ko party, ye ko night club, ye ko den no, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, currently two of generation ya mu players I be more great man. But Ronaldo doesn't joke about the training. Oh, kwa when your talent yes so when your social media fame kakra. And I feel I'll be flex. Oh sorry, I will go party, oh go one ring. When you serious. Gonna for no day. Binom yen kan yen fancy. I'm fancy ya afi yen ko yanim. Coach Samba will know yen South Africa for this kabiaba. Me to me I was a Jan manako. Near Giscano. I just a contract no so be free with the details neighbor. But Abdul Karim Zito Karim Zito and I a poor bono. And I didn't coach on one side. Also mentally, I'm going through a lot. Karim Zito Kotoko coach. Also mentally, your man or family nyasem ketwa. I didn't see ya. Also not losing and getting 1 point is better, but I'm not trying to find excuse. Or say no nya 1 point, or you okay, but nya excuse no person find it. Na die wo ni. Or say I am going through in this club. Also what I'm going through in this club is not easy. Also they all come no asante Kotoko no. Enya better enough. If you don't have mental toughness, you can't. Also say we mental toughness untimi. Also we mental toughness untimi. We mental toughness untimi. Also every day of my week, some player will get injured. Asema allergy camel no can. Also week pia the player benya injured. Asemu yaka say physical instructors no, say pitching in no, say players in there to tea or muhu, and also your allegation at a question in the was it every week the player being injured, not disrupting the plans. I had to force Dauda Saka to play. Also, Dauda Saka, for instance, or for so not 100% fit. I have used what I have to get what I want, though we couldn't achieve the target. Then sama uchaka etu no. Afi, young player na no yenyina ye report to say yehuso oye training or Kotoko training ground. We're breaking the silence. Ono nso wa hu bi stories no hu say fly maker Richard Bodu Agadas ena enra oba stadium ho Kotoko ne tima ye friend no Adriana boy oba stadium ho ono nso de nsem we to dwa wose Kotoko is my home. Kotoko ye me fie. I've been doing some recovery training with them following my injury. Let us confirm it. Say following the injury no on asante Kotoko ene training. This is the confirmation coming from him. Or say following the injury okoye surgery no on Kotoko ne training. And afi yebusa and say January no obesan anase on sign. Or say however, as for me rejoining Kotoko, anything is possible. But you can say however, let's say nemum no. Me say joining Kotoko ne die. No, anything is possible. I'm a kind of Nigeria for the moment. Anything is possible. It is that I feel that it is you. Yes, it's the Agadas the other day. Mitmakasi Zeno, a 95%. Play and say on the Kotoko ye training. Play and say or join the Kotoko, anything is possible. Not just academy and one no. Afi, my main cop player, your friend of Samba Unel. And now. And I know so a bit too much say South African club your friend of Durban City. Durban City no a club will be or SC South Africa. Durban City no I remember a history of Durban City Football Club no kakra bi omon na fa player your friend of Frederick Asare last year. Currently as we speak Durban City Premier League ekoso me the league position be bro. Nemom no ma history about Durban City club no. Omo de 100,000 abakuasa Sante Kotoko say Kotoko nji seska no. Omo fa Samba Onel emma omo sisia. Sisia na ne contract nso no. Omo nji ska no na omo nyere omo fa Samba Onel. Na busumi bi ombema Samba Onel $10,000. Durban City club no club a ye forme no Durban Master Kiki hwe me to be a odene ka ne ko na na bafo nso hwe brother bafo hwe na na one munya mo South Africa da mo be ko Durban City ne de wo Durban City no matobi na mo de ama pass na mo de ama DHL na mo de ama me wo Ghana me pese me hu Durban City nyoma enti Durban City ne ye forme club no Durban in 1959. Na owner no current owner no your friend no Norman Elliott. Omo grounds sisi omo ball no the Kingsmed Durban. So omo history kakra ikra me enanope ena me dey ma no. Na currently local South Africa omo reinvented themselves. I mean kind of say. So omo reinvented themselves. Omo de your friend is saying omo reinvested. Like omo renovating new man. Into omo renovating new man. Ena ama sese no omo say picky. Na omo say picky no new man en shedam picky sa nemum no currently omo da 7 mo Premier League no Durban City into ko South Africa Premier League no sisi a Mamelodi Sundowns en that first and Orlando Pirates that second and Kotoko Namfofo Kaizer Chiefs also at that third. Polokwani mo at top so fourth ne ade but Durban for no at the seventh. And now omo de da hono enye bad. Nti omo per se either say omo be compete in Africa next year. Nti Kotoko player no omo say omo de 100,000 ma Kotoko. Nanka omo agye no sisia. And to be real honest, me sad deal no enye bad. Sa player ni be ko free na obenya kakra. Je na manenko. Ohora Fred Kasare yetenatena ho a okọ free no. Nti say Durban for no say omo de 100,000 be ba. Sheda nye sika e wo soro bebre. Na mom no sa player no betena ho. Ana asem we edion. Sa player no e betena ho na wakọ free ni age 100,000. Ana say yemfa player no mo ni tu ni mu de. Na yenhwe. But we have calculations now. See, 100,000, not 100,000, Ghanaian market. Razak Simpson, no, a direct replacement of Samba Unel. So I think it is good idea, say, 100,000, no. Go for now already, so make coffee out 100,000. They are $100,000, no. Now uncle, a bit my January, no. Or qua 100,000, no. You bet me, you move $50,000 near the Akoma nation for Nezamasa Munji. Na ya farm no. Na fe a business and na business so oye no we lose na wo gain I think say no nti we a like for like change sa 100,000 ye je na ma Samba kwa ye benya Razak Simpson in the Ghana Premier League or ye Ghana ni na Razak Simpson no ya sign no 6 years and also 5 years so not just say they are build the future no. I don't know what you think. Let me know what you think.